So I'm going to hate on people today. Not really. I don't like the fact that tech YouTubers lately have been going around, more of the smaller ones, going around and taking said rumor, it's a fact, and taking it into a fact. So what this video today is going to be talking about is most recently the graphics card situation. If you don't know, graphics cards from NVIDIA, which the current ones that everyone is speculating about, have been announced that they're not coming out. They're not going to come out anytime soon. And so all these people that were saying, yup, they are the release date for the 2080 Ti will be June 1st. So my point being is, there's a lot of people that are doing that. And I'm not calling names, and I could be somewhat guilty of this in past videos as well, talking about release date in June or something along those lines. But to be honest with you, I want to make this video for you as a viewer, just to kind of keep yourself aware of the fact that, you know, first of all, all these people that are making content, or at least, I don't know if I can put myself in this. So most people that are making content just want the views. And me, you can look at, not really what I'm about, just putting that out there. But people are going to be saying that stuff just to get views. And they're going to throw around misinformation just to get views. So my point being is, if you're watching this video, just keep your eyes out, because you got to think that, like, I've done the research. I sit down and I do the research when I see something outrageous like, oh yeah, 1080 to 2080 Ti coming out next month. But I really got to wonder, you know, for those people that are sitting out there that, you know, just go solely off of what YouTubers say, it's the internet. You don't really want to trust everything, especially on YouTube, that you see on the internet. And I feel like, you know, all these people that are coming to me like, oh yeah, why didn't the graphics card come out? I thought I was waiting for this graphics card. I'm like, where are you hearing this from? Because even like some of the news sites can be guilty of this, of saying, oh yeah, the 1080 or 2080 Ti or something along those lines will be coming out this month. And I've made repeated videos talking about, first of all, why they aren't going to be coming out, long before we even had confirmation of this. I said there's no way it's happening. And meanwhile, we have all these other YouTubers chugging full speed ahead, talking about how it's going to be releasing, and we look just like the fact that there's so much that still has to get done before NVIDIA can even go through and do that, even start producing the graphics cards, even start producing, getting the DDR6, all that stuff. They have so much more stuff to do that it doesn't even seem possible, and yet people are still throwing those rumors out. So I want people to know that, you know, me, I'm not perfect. I've made this mistake. I apologize for making that mistake of, you know, jumping to conclusions. But I want to make this video just about the sense of, you know, not pointing blame on anybody, not doing anything like that. Just simply sitting down and saying, just keep your eyes open. Because I guess what we can really learn from this, especially what I've learned, is that just don't take, just because some big person, big YouTube channel, big news site says, oh yeah, graphics card coming out next month, that they've done all their research, because they're just throwing around numbers, at least in this case, and I wouldn't be surprised to find find what they've said is completely invalid. So thank you for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and of course, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm recording 20 videos tonight, because why not? And hope you enjoyed. Yeah. Bye.